Did you know your heater could impact your indoor air quality during colder months? In this video, I'll reveal how heaters affect your air and share practical tips to keep it clean and healthy. How heaters impact indoor air quality. Heaters are essential for comfort, but they come with some trade-offs. For one, they dry out the air, reducing humidity levels and leading to dry skin, irritated sinuses, or even respiratory discomfort. Combustion-based heaters, like gas or kerosene models, can emit pollutants such as carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide, both of which can be hazardous without proper ventilation. Additionally, heaters often stir up dust, pollen, and other allergens trapped in your home. Older models, or those made with certain materials, can even release volatile organic compounds into the air, further degrading its quality. The risks of poor indoor air quality. Poor air quality doesn't just cause mild discomfort, it can lead to significant health problems. Dry air from heaters can irritate your throat and skin, while pollutant exposure can worsen asthma, trigger allergies, and cause headaches. Prolonged exposure to gases like carbon monoxide can be life-threatening. Vulnerable groups, such as children, the elderly, and those with respiratory conditions, are particularly at risk. Solutions to improve air quality. Fortunately, there are effective ways to maintain good air quality while staying warm. Start by pairing your heater with a humidifier to keep indoor humidity between 30 to 50%. Regularly ventilate your rooms, even in winter, to prevent the buildup of harmful gases. For airborne particles, invest in an air purifier with a HEPA filter to trap allergens and pollutants. Don't forget maintenance. Cleaning your heater's filters and ducts can drastically reduce the circulation of dust and pollen. These small steps can make a big difference. Choosing the right heater for better IQ. Your choice of heater also matters. Electric or infrared heaters are excellent options as they don't burn fuel, minimizing pollutant emissions. If you prefer combustion-based models, opt for low-emission heaters that reduce carbon and nitrogen output. Always look for certifications like Energy Star or UL to ensure your heater meets safety and efficiency standards. Advanced tips for managing IQ with heaters. If you want to take air quality management to the next level, consider heaters with programmable settings or smart controls to avoid overuse. Heating only specific rooms instead of the entire home can prevent air quality issues from spreading. And if you have an HVAC system, integrate your heater with it for better air filtration and humidity control. When to seek professional advice. Professional help can be invaluable for persistent air quality issues. Combustion-based heaters should undergo regular emissions testing, and indoor air quality assessments can pinpoint unseen problems. Don't hesitate to reach out to an expert if something seems off. To recap, while heaters are vital for staying warm, they can impact your indoor air quality. You can create a safe and comfortable environment by choosing the right heater, maintaining your equipment, and using tools like humidifiers and air purifiers.